Hi everyone, welcome to Enchanted Rhymes where magic meet melody. 5 alligators splash and sing.
5 little alligators swimming in the bay. Swim, swim, swim all the day. One little alligator went to play. Now there are 4 alligators in the bay. 4 little alligators splashing around. Splash, splash, splash with a sound. One little alligator swam away. Now there are 3 in the bay. 3 little alligators near a tree. So happily, one little alligator said, bye bye. Now there are 2 in the bay. 2 little alligators having fun. Laugh, laugh, laugh in the sun. One little alligator waves goodbye. Now there's just 1 in the bay. One little alligator all alone swims and plays and then it's gone. But don't worry, more will come to play. Next time we'll have alligators again.
Hi there. If you enjoy this magical rhymes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And share the videos. Your support makes our enchanted world even brighter. And remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon. Every like helps us bring more fun and songs to kids everywhere. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more enchanting rhymes from the Enchanted Rhymes.